Hi, my friends. Here, Echo and I are going to go over our digraph sounds with you. I will say the sound and then pause and mouth the sound for you to repeat. Remember, this is just our digraphs. Here we go. CK, sock, k. WH, whistle, w. SH, ship, sh. CH, chin, ch. TH, thumb, th. Excellent job, my friends.